Tecno has officially stepped into the future of foldable tech with its new Phantom Ultimate G Fold concept. A bold, tri-fold phone that folds inwards twice and dares to go where even Samsung and Apple haven't. This innovative design features two inward folds. A smaller hinge first folds the right third of the display, forming a subtle teardrop shape, followed by a larger hinge that wraps the left side over it. A self-locking mechanism ensures the phone stays securely closed when not in use. The engineering here is stunning. When folded, the phone measures just 11.49 millimeters thick, and when fully unfolded, it shrinks to an unbelievably slim 3.49 millimeters. In a market where most big players are playing it safe, Tecno is taking bold steps that could redefine how we see foldable smartphones. Whether this concept makes it to production or not, one thing's clear. Tecno is not afraid to challenge the giants. What's your take on the Tecno Phantom G Fold? Do you think it will be better than Samsung G Fold? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm.